ArmA15 AR15. When the need to secure a rifle arises, a full-fledged safe is either too expensive and heavy to justify, or it is difficult to fit in a particular position. The ArmA15 locking bracket's purpose is to securely mount an AR-15 to a wall, such as inside the closet, to a truck roll bar, trunk, or other location. It's a simple way to securely storing a single firearm while still allowing for easy access. These are designed to secure the ArmA15 to a wall stud. Apparently, with this hardware, it takes nearly 3,500 pounds of force to rip the ArmA15 unit from a wall. Book safe. Book safe is the perfect hiding place for your valuable, important documents, your guns, cash, and jewelry. On the outside, it looks like a Leuchtturm stock book, but when you open it up, the inside contains a steel safe with a secure cylinder lock. By assuming the format of book pages, the foredge is plastic, the book looks extremely authentic and is completely inconspicuous. As the book size is relatively small, this book safe is ideal for taking on your travels. 2 keys, each with a separate key number that is unique to the integrated lock, are included. Armored Mercedes police car. This armored Mercedes-Benz 420 SE Guard police car served as an escort for money being transported to the bank. Before being withdrawn, the armored Mercedes-Benz 420 SE Guard served the German Federal Police Office for 20 years. The B5 class armored police car has custom-modeled doors that accommodate submachine guns. This customized armored Mercedes-Benz 420 SE Guard W126 sedan, finished in green and white police livery, served the German Federal Police Office for 20 years before it was retired. Ornady Rapid Safe Night Guard. Ornady introduces the perfect bedside companion. The Rapid Safe Night Guard keeps your handguns as close as your nightstand. RFID technology offers the quickest, most dependable access to your firearm while providing unmatched security from unauthorized users. Plus, the Night Guard offers the additional functionality of a clock and USB charging ports. RFID reader, user-programmed access code, and mechanical key offer a variety of methods to unlock the Rapid Night Guard. Monster Vault Low-Profile Underbed Gun Safe. The Monster Vault Low-Profile Underbed Gun Safe is great for storing rifles and handguns, as well as other valuables. Do you require quick access? The Monster Vault Low Profile is designed to bolt under the majority of bed frames. It's as simple as going under your bed, entering your programmable 3 to 8 digit combination, and quickly obtaining access to your rifles and handguns when you need them the most. The Monster Vault low-profile underbed gun safe has plenty of room to store your gun collection as well as valuables, money, electronics such as iPads and laptops, and even musical instruments such as guitars. Bulletproof couch. Often, you're at home watching a movie with buttered popcorn when an unexpected guest comes through the door brandishing a .44 Magnum and threatening to blow your head clean off. Do you cower or run? Neither. Happily, because you got the optional bulletproof cushions to go with your couch bunker. As its name implies, in addition to ballistic cushions, this otherwise unassuming-looking piece of furniture hides a fire-rated gun safe, which can be used to store valuables, up to 30 rifles, or, for those of us less than 7'3", yourself. The couch itself weighs about 250 pounds, and with the safe it's 900 pounds, just so you know how many moving bodies to line up. The multi-thread shield. The MTS firm produced the lightest, most discreet and affordable ballistic shield on the market in response to a request from clients concerned about active shooter mitigation and response. The covered 6 Savior multi-thread shield is ideal for tactical teams, executive protection, home defense, and public safety first responders. The Savior MTS is intended to be adaptable and effective against pistol, shotgun, and rifle bullets. The design also allows the user to let go of the shield and maintain protection, while still having full use of hands for weapons manipulation, reloads, and rescues. Timber Vault's occasional table. Responsible gun ownership means storing your firearms safely. Gun safes accomplish this but are often too slow to access and often do not fit in the room where you need a storage solution. Timber Vault's tactical shelves, mantles, and furniture are the solution to safely store your firearm for quick access in the events of an emergency. Each shelf is expertly crafted and opens in seconds using battery-powered secure RFID technology, making it the perfect gun storage solution.